My music experience started when I was singing in a choir a few years ago, and I met some friends who are already in the music business, and we started to talk, and we wanted to try something new, so we decided to do the project. I know them from the music industry. They used to be in a band. Like Julien Sago used to, my percussionist used to play for the band called Carquois, and the keyboard player and guitarist Daniel Lesnov used to be a part of the band, rock band called The Breezes. So we've been friends for a couple of years, a few years now. So and I always liked the way they were working while they were in their band, and the sound that they brought to those bands, and I wanted something similar and also at the same time new to bring to my music. So that's how the band came out.